Good morning. This is Lance. It's April 14, 2020, Tuesday. Today's topic is multiple streams of income. You know, when I got started in real estate, this is back around 2002. At the time, I had a full-time corporate job, and what drove me to get into real estate was a question I was asking myself at the time. How could I generate extra streams of income? How could I generate extra streams of income? That was driven by the time I was trying to figure out how to fund my daughter's college education, my young daughter. Well, on Friday, we had a live webinar on Friday, and I surveyed all the attendees. Perhaps you were one of them on Friday, and I said, what's the number one thing you've learned coming out of this COVID experience? And the number one answer, 2-to-1, was I need multiple streams of income. I need multiple streams of income. That's always seems to be the answer. And so I'm going to challenge you to be asking yourself that question. What's the number one thing you've learned? And I dare say, high probability, you need multiple income streams. Or the second answer may be I need more cash. But let's say you want multiple income streams. So now you need to be asking yourself the question, what am I going to do differently going forward? What am I going to start doing now, today, to achieve that goal? And start taking those steps. You know, a key word right now we hear a lot, you want to hear more of, is pivot. Pivot. Everybody, businesses are having to pivot. Whether it's the restaurant who's having to pivot to takeout and delivery service, or all the businesses are having to pivot to virtual operations, including my own. In terms of our seminar, in fact, we have a virtual boot camp this week, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. So everyone's having to pivot with the new normal. So whatever your situation is, whatever your income driver was in the past, you need to be asking, what additional income can I be adding to that additional income stream? And most of the times the answer is going to be, I need something that I can do at home. I can do something that's virtual. Maybe it's something I need to do part-time in addition to my full-time gig. But that's the question you need to be asking yourself right now. And that's the conversation going on in households across the country. And of course, I want to invite you to consider and check out apartments, getting started in small apartments and scaling up to large. You can generate multiple streams of income through your apartment buildings. The apartment buildings can be in different locations around the country. They can be managed by someone else. You can have 3 ways to make money on these apartment deals. So you have multiple income streams within this one business. And it turns out there's a shift going on from a seller's market to a buyer's market. I just read this morning one of the top operators in the country, cut their rents 10% in April. So we're going to see prices coming down. It's just natural at this point. We have certainly shifted into a buyer's market. So if you're considering apartments, I want to encourage you to get started now, get involved, start making your preparations, start pivoting from whatever you're doing to add on small apartments into this additional streams of income for you and your family. Have a great day, everyone. Bye.